I desperately needed to get my stiff, inflexible, arthritic, overweight body into shape. So much so, I became a highly successful yoga teacher. But my body continued to refuse to budge, and my arthritic pain slowly got worse. And then I had a light bulb moment and completely changed my approach to my practice and how I taught yoga. Overnight, my stubborn body gave way, and now I have everything I dreamt of. I didn't modify any of the postures, I just engaged with the postures with a different mindset. It's a totally different way of practicing yoga, requiring completely different muscle firing patterns. I'm hosting a free webinar where I explain everything, a step-by-step guide, and everything will just fall into place, bang, no more struggle. You do have to use more strength, but mentally it's so much easier and you'll rapidly see the results. It's free, so there's nothing to lose, unless you want to continue thinking that yoga is a lifelong journey we all must endure. My students do it in 4 weeks, even when they have zero flexibility and a stubborn body that just refuses to budge. Typically, seats for this webinar fill up fast, so I will reserve yours right now.